Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. Introduction to WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. In this video, we will study WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. This plugin lets you create custom pricing rules for your store. It's great for boosting sales and giving discounts to your customers. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Dynamic Pricing. Here's why it's useful. You can offer discounts based on products, order totals, user roles, or categories. It helps you attract more customers with special deals. You can increase sales by encouraging bulk purchases. Now, let's look at the main types of pricing rules. Order total-based pricing. Discounts when the cart reaches a certain amount. You can add a pricing group by clicking on the Add Pricing Group button. In order total pricing, we have details like admin title, quantities based on, applies to, dates for the pricing rule, and order total pricing details. Now click on the Roles tab. Role-based pricing discounts for specific user roles, like wholesalers, customers, or subscribers. In role pricing, we have details like enable/disable buttons, role, type of discount, and amount of discount. Now click on the Categories tab. Category-based pricing discounts for entire product categories. In category pricing, we have details like the enable button, category, type of discount, and amount of discount. We can also add advanced category pricing rules. Now click on the Brands tab. Brand pricing uses bulk brand pricing to configure bulk price adjustments on products based on a brand. We can also configure advanced brand pricing. Now go to Products and click on All Products. Edit a product. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on the Dynamic Pricing tab. From here, we can add product-based pricing discounts for individual products. This plugin has 7 pricing modes. Bulk pricing for individual products. Special prices like buy one, get one at 50% off. Order total discounts. Simple role-based discounts. Simple category-based discounts. Advanced bulk category discounts. And advanced special offer for categories. And that's it. In this video, we have learned about WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing, its benefits, and the different types of pricing rules you can create to boost your store sales. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.